welcome to Kusky Creations. Today's project, we're going to mix up some resin and we're going to make a bowl. I thought that would be fun. So, first thing is materials. I use the top of one of those gallon ice cream jugs for, this one's a metal gold. Doesn't matter, but it's flat. And what I do is I take my hefty bag, I cut the top off. Now this is the 2.5 gallon, so it's larger. I like that. And what I can do is I cut my sides. Okay, now I have two sides apart. The inside, the resin doesn't seem to stick to like the outside, so I can peel it away quicker. So what I do is I pick this side up and I fold it, and I fold it again. That way I know the inside is folded in. And I just stick it away for safekeeping. This one, I just slide it right over my bowl. I'm gonna do the work over here so you can actually see it a little better, okay? Now, I'm going to mix up my resin and put it in the cup. And then get out some of these little snack cups for colors. I was thinking I would do a yellow bowl with some green. And then I would do a yellow and orange bowl. Now these are powder inks, so they are different vibrancy, I want to say. This is an alcohol ink. I get them all at the craft store. And this, I got, I think at Walmart, just glitter, Christmas glitter. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I've got my half resin, half hardener in this cup. I chose to not move it to that one because I'll just mix it in here. I'm not doing a big batch. When I'm doing a half a cup and a half a cup, like a half a cup of hardener and a half a cup of resin, then it gets to be a lot to mix it in here, so I do use a red cup. Those are for when I do multiple bowls at one time, or if I do very large resin waves. So now that it's all mixed up, I'm going to mix it in these. One. Okay. Set this on here. All right, now. Let's do a yellow. Okay. I don't know if you can see this, but that's really vibrant. A little more resin to it. I always tend to keep a little clear left so that I can use it if I need it for anything. Maybe I need a little more yellow like here, or maybe I just want to add a little clear in certain places. Or when I'm doing a resin wave, I keep some clear so that I can mix it with the artificial snow and make it on the crust of the wave. So that's why I do that. And we're going to start by pouring it right on here, okay? Now we just let it sit. We have to let it cure, and then we will move it. Okay, so that's our piece. It may change as it's curing, but it looks great so far. Okay, now I'm going to take that piece out that I had folded up. Open it up, and this inner part I'm going to lay down just on top. Okay. And then I just weigh it down. I do my resin outside so that there's good ventilation. So I want to keep this from blowing, but the piece looks really interesting. Okay. Now, I'll put my gloves on, and I'm going to put it around a base to form it. This is a lot of fun. Here's my cups. This is what I use for a piece this small, and I just pick it up. You can put it this way, or you can put it that way. I think I want this to be the outside of the bowl. And get it right in the middle. And pull my sides out. And then I just kind of work with it. You can also, which I think I might do here, I'm going to trim this. Okay. That'll help a little bit. And we are making our folds. So, up, much easier. When it's centered, and I just incorporate a bunch of little folds so it comes out like a flower. Okay. Then you let it sit and you let it harden. Okay. We will be back later to check on it. Looks amazing.